Three things that reduces the size of your penis. That is what I want to share with you in this video. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the three things causing or reducing the size of your joystick. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, endeavor to join this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell to get you notified whenever I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Now, what are the three things causing the reduction of your penis, or three things making your joystick to reduce in size? This is what I want to disclose to men and also women. Women can recommend this to their partner and tell them how to prevent it in order to make their joystick to be in the normal size. So the three things are: number one is obesity. Yes, obesity is when a man is gaining too much weight, too much fat, and that fatness can lead to inward of the joystick. That joystick cannot grow. It cannot be able to get erected. And you know that good erection can make a man to get a bigger and longer joystick. But when a man don't experience regular erection, it shrink his manhood or shrink his joystick. So avoid obesity. How do you avoid obesity? Avoid intake of sugar or any food that contains a lot of sugar. If you can avoid this, you will be able to make your joystick bigger. Now, number two thing making your joystick to reduce in size is smoking of cigarettes and drinking of alcohol. These two things block the flow of fluid and blood to all parts of your body system, and this can lead to lack of good erection. So avoid smoking cigarettes and avoid drinking of alcohol, because these two things shrink your immune system or destroy your immune system, and also make you not to experience proper blood flow and blood circulation. And if you don't have a good blood flow and blood circulation, it can affect your joystick. And smoking and drinking of alcohol can lead to this problem. If you can avoid these two, you will have a good joystick. Now, number three and the last is your lifestyle. Yes, lifestyle can stop a good blood flow and blood circulation in your body system. What are the lifestyle? Too much drinking of alcohol, engaging yourself in too much stress, doing all sorts of things that can disrupt the growth of your immune system, or things that can stop your body system to be in the normal state. So avoid bad lifestyle. Instead, adopt the good one. Eat good food, sleep enough, and never indulge in too much stress. So this is what I want to share in this video, and I believe that you get value. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell to get you notified whenever I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to all your friends and families. I wish you good luck and good performance as a man. See you in my next video. Bye.